Good evening, students. Welcome back to the second session. In this session, we'll see how to read from a text file. So, in order to read the contents of a text file which was created earlier in our previous session, the first way is to directly open it in any text editor, say Notepad, and view the contents. But what if you want to view or read the contents of the text file from within the Python program? Then you have to write the following code. So here in this session we'll write the code to read the contents of the file from within a Python program. So as I have told you in the previous session, around 4 steps, and we'll follow a similar kind of steps here. So first of all, I'm taking a file object fo equals to open equals to open. Within quotes, I'll write first the file name. If you remember, the file created in the first session was abc.txt, if I'm not wrong. So the file name is going to be the first argument here. The second argument is the mode in which you want to open the file, right? So I'm opening the file in read mode because I want to read the contents of the file abc.txt. Now you know the meaning of this step. Fo equals to open abc.txt in read mode. It means that abc.txt file, if it exists in the default directory, will be opened in read mode, and fo file object will be associated with it. Now using fo, I'll read its contents, right? So whatever I am reading from the file fo.read, fo means what? Fo means ultimately abc.txt file. So txt file consists of text means string. So whatever I am reading from this file which is associated with fo is of string type. So whatever is read from the file, I am saving it into a string here, s, because text is of form string, as you know. Now third step, I have read the content into string s. Now I'll display it. So I'll go with print statement, print s. My job is done. Then the last step is fo.close. Am I clear with it? First, I opened the file abc.txt in read mode using the second argument as r. Then I have read the contents of the file using read function, and I have stored it in string s. Then I have sent the string s to print. After it's printed on the screen, I am closing the file as my job is done. So these are the 4 steps. Let me execute it. Hello NCS. If I'm not wrong, in the previous session we have created abc.txt file which had hello.ncs as its contents, right? So let's go back. Now I'm opening that file abc.txt. here its contents are hello NCS. You can do it in your computer. You can go to the default directory, open the file, and using Notepad, then you can change its content. So I'm writing hello NCS. You are welcome in 12th standard, right? So let me save. So I have modified the contents manually by opening the file using a text editor, say Notepad. Now if I run the file, will I get the modified content or the previous ones? Obviously I should get the modified contents. So let me run hello NCS, you are welcome in 12th standard. If you forgot to save the contents of abc.txt while modifying, it will show the old contents only. So to get the modified content, you have to save it and better close it also, right? So I think